Hey guys, I want to show you. I want to show you some updates I made to MegaScript. Now we've got some really cool stuff. Let me just go here and edit this real quick to make it look nice so that you guys can see it better. Alright, there we go. And now we clear. Actually, let me clear first. Okay. So now, so I added casting. So if you normally would do this, just like that, or actually, yeah, if you do this, you can it'll be like that. But now you can cast to another data type, so you can do let's say byte, and then we'll put like this number here, and it wraps around because it's a byte. So you can cast now, which is really nice. I also added some improvements. I also fixed the mixing of operations. So if you have operators that are going from right to left, and also operators that are going left to right, now it actually does it a lot better. So for example, before, if I did like int a equals 3, and then I did a plus equals a plus equals a plus 3. If I did that, it would skip this and then skip this, but then since it was the last one, since it changes the last operator, it would execute this, and that's not how that's supposed to work. So I fixed that, and now it actually does it. Now it actually does this first. So it does a plus 3, and then it'll do so that'll become 6, and then it'll do a plus equals 6, and then that will become 9, and then it'll be a plus equals a, and that will be 18. So it will be 18, as you can see. So also I added an entirely new system, a standard call system. So now you can really easily make a new default program, or a new default function or call, and it uses an ID system that is 16-bit, so it can have like 65,000 different functions, and it saves space because it converts the actual word of the function to a number. So it just becomes 3 bytes, one for the standard call bytecode, and then 2 for the ID. So right here we've got our standard calls, and now we can do stuff like get null and push null into the stack. So it's kind of weird, but null is actually a function call. So if you put null, then it'll push null onto the stack, and then that makes null. So oh yeah, also echo, the only difference between echo is that echo just makes a new line after you do it. Since print is probably going to be used more, I'm gonna make I made it not actually make a new line, because you would want to do that manually with the backward slash in for new line. And also print is its own opcode, so it takes up less space. So that's why I made that one, the one that doesn't break line. But anyway, what else did I add? I added some other stuff like type of. Oh yeah, now you can do type of, so you can get the type of something. So type of 1, and that's an int 64. And if we were to do like type of one byte unsigned, it will be an unsigned int 8. So, what else have I done? Oh yeah, also now the labels they push pointers onto the stack, so you don't have to do the @ symbol anymore. So you can just do label test, and then what else? Then you do like whatever you want to do. So print, or actually no, let's do print. Yeah, print 1. So then you do jump test, and that does it. So you don't have to do the @ symbol anymore. But now there's also the address of the pointer, and you can do that by getting the @ symbol. So if you want to get the address of that pointer, then you just do the @ symbol. And anyway, what else have I added? I think that's it for now. But I'm working on really hard on this right now, and I'm gonna add I'm gonna try to make a new minor milestone update soon. So I'm gonna try finishing 1.5.0, and I'll make a video for you guys right as I do that. So yeah, I think that's it for now, and hope you guys enjoyed. See ya. This is after I just recorded that. I realized I forgot to show you guys some other stuff. So there's also, so now you can make constants and make globals. So if we do const int I equals 4, then that I, you can access it, but if you try to change it, I equals 8, it will error because you can't modify constant. There's also global. So let's say, for example, that I do an if statement and it makes a new scope, and then I do I make a variable. So let's do global int I equals 8, and then we're gonna exit out of that if statement. But since we did global, we can still echo it outside of the scope. So that's pretty cool. Yeah, I haven't. Yeah, so I'm gonna add more really cool stuff like that. Oh yeah, you can also delete variables. This is a really interesting thing. So int a equals 2, and then we're gonna echo a, and then we're gonna delete. And you can do either this, or you can just do this. Either one will work. So delete a, and then if we try to echo a again, it says the variable was not found because I deleted it, which is pretty cool, I think. Yeah, I'm gonna add a lot more stuff soon. Just you wait, guys. I'm gonna add like so much stuff, and it's gonna be so fucking cool. And I'm pretty sure that pretty soon I'm gonna be actually making this open source, and so that you guys can fucking mess around with it and stuff. It'll be pretty cool. But I think that before I do that, I might actually make a demo. I might upload a demo on my website and let you guys, like, I'll make a web-based terminal that that accesses a server with MegaScript on it, so you guys can mess around with it, which would be pretty cool. But anyway, yeah, that was it for now. I think that this is a pretty decent update. Let me know what you guys think in the comments, and if you liked the video, leave a like. I hope you enjoyed, and goodbye.